Here's how to get Python back on your TI-84 Evo. It takes about 2 minutes. Press the Program key. If all you see is TI Basic, the Python app is gone. This usually happens after a full memory reset. Plug your calculator into your computer with its USB cable and make sure it's turned on. In Chrome, go to connectevo.ti.com. There's a link in the description. Click Connect to Calculator, pick the TI-84 Evo, and hit Connect. Choose Install OS. Despite the name, this brings back the built-in apps too, and that includes Python. Click Install, then Continue. Heads up, this clears anything still saved in RAM. Your calculator switches to installing OS and apps. Give it a couple of minutes. It restarts on its own. When the browser says your calculator is up to date, you're done. Be sure to close the tab, or it'll keep other websites from talking to your calculator. Press the Program key again. Python app, right where it should be. That's it. More TI-84 Evo tutorials at calcplex.com.